Brunswick Forest. Welcome to the #1 selling community in southeastern North Carolina. Brunswick Forest is a master planned community that is only a 10-minute drive to Wilmington, the port city, and her residents frequent the charming city on the Cape Fear River often. Amenities in Brunswick Forest abound with indoor and outdoor pools, kayaking and canoeing, 16 pickleball courts, tennis center, 18,000 square foot health and wellness center, 5 to 10 exercise classes 7 days a week, 65 clubs of everything you can imagine, the award-winning 18-hole Cape Fear National Golf Course, upscale restaurant, 100 miles of sidewalks and walking trails, and single-family homes from 300,000 to 1 million plus. The villages at Brunswick Forest offer medical services, grocery store, restaurants, bank, coffee shop, veterinarian, and well, you might just not need to leave the community at all.